What's up YouTube, it's your girl Ty Renee and I'm back with another video. I know y'all see me being consistent out here. I just posted a video on Friday and now I'm doing another one. So this is a makeup look. I haven't posted a makeup look in a minute and everybody's been saying, Tyra, post a video. And I know y'all probably like, girl, you don't got no many people looking at your stuff. But I mean, like, it's the people that I know be like, you need to post another video. So I posted one today. Well, I'm posting one today. But yeah, so as you can see from the title, this video is going to be an everyday makeup look. This is like my go-to. It's so quick, so easy. And today I did an extra little pop of color in my inner corner. Usually I suck at it, but I'm gonna show y'all what brush really get it done. Like, excuse my energy in the video. I was very low energy. I'm super hungry and I have to run off to school to do a presentation. So yeah, wish me luck. Fingers crossed. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that post notification button, which is the bell, so that you'll know when I post another video for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I don't gotta do too much. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start posting more on Instagram too, I promise. But anyway, yeah, that's it. So let's get into the look. Alright everybody, so I was going to do a talk through video, but I was way too low energy and I was like, let me just go ahead and do a voiceover. So I cropped out a lot of stuff, but right now let me update you on what's going on. So I've already primed my face and moisturized. I'm going to put those products in the description box down below. Right now what you're seeing is me getting my eyelids ready for my eyeshadow. I used my Born This Way concealer to, you know, go in and prime my eyelids, and I'm setting it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And then I'm going to go into my Zulu palette. It's a really pretty brown shade in there that has like an orange undertone. It's so pretty. So I just decided to pat that on my lower part of my lid and then fan it up towards my eyebrow to make it look like I did an ombre effect. Alright, so next I'm going to go into this little NYX palette that I got from Ulta. And I'm going to take that gold shade and just put it on my eyelid. And then I'm going to blend that out with the same blended brush that I used to do my eyeshadow. And basically I just tap that on the outer part of the glitter and then I fan it over just to make it all look blended. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and did my foundation off camera, but I went in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 450 and blended out with the Beauty Blender. And so now I'm just going in with the same concealer I used to set my eyelids in the beginning of the video to do my concealer. And then I'm going to go in with L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Espresso to contour my face. And then of course I'm just going to go and blend all that out with that Beauty Blender. I'm using the same side that I used to blend out my foundation because it just helps to blend it even more. But then to further blend, I'm going to take my Real Techniques Expert Blending Face Brush and blend all that out. And as you can see, it looks pretty seamless so far. So then I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender again on the opposite side. I'm just going to blend out my concealer. But after I do that, guys, I take the same side that I used to do my contour and my foundation and just bluff out any like rough edges or anything like that so it looks really smooth and blended and just natural like skin. Alright, so after I blend my concealer out under my eye, I like to go right back in with my setting powder and just make sure I set it to keep it from creasing. And then after that, I'm just going to go set everything else on my face, like my chin, around my mouth, my nose, and my forehead. Alright, so now I'm going to take my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Black Coffee, and I'm just going to set my contour and bronze my face, add some warmth. This is my favorite step. I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to take a crease brush by BH Cosmetics and I'm just going to use that to snatch my nose real quick. I like to drag it all the way up to my eyebrow because I feel like that's the best way to get a nice contour in the nose. Then you want to buff that out again. And then now I'm going to go in with my blush. This is the blush from Black Radiance in the shade Warm Berry. After I put that on, buff it out. And then I'm going to go in with my next blush, which is like a shiny highlighter shade that I like to use when I'm not using a bronzer. And yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my face. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this spray, guys. It smells so good. But anyways, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Blender, the flat side, and lightly tap this into my skin. It gives me a nice dewy finish, but also keeps me mattified throughout the day. Alright, so now I'm going to do my inner corner highlight using the shade Giza from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. Then I'm just going to blend that out with my NYX color that I used on my lid. And then I'm going to go in and buff all of it out with my eyeshadow brush. Then I'm going to go underneath my eye with the same color I used for my shadow. I already did my eyeliner. I used a gel eyeliner by e.l.f. But now I'm just going to go in with my mascara on my top and bottom row. They're two different mascaras. And then I'm just going to go in and get my lips ready for my gloss because, you know, the look is basically done. I already went in and did my eyelashes off camera. They'll be linked down below. And I'm just taking a clear gloss on my lips for my first shade of gloss. And then I'm going to go in with another one that has glitter in it and just finish up the whole look. Alright everyone, so there's the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so you know when I post another video. And yeah, I really loved this. It came out so good. So comment down below if you like this look. And follow me on Instagram. I'm going to try to get more involved and stuff. Like, I really don't post on there. But I feel like if I had more people, you know, pulling on me and just, I would do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to start posting more. I'm going to take some pictures today. And yeah. Thanks guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.